Friends, in today's video, are you ready? I'm going to share with you 2 home remedies that will get rid of all your stretch marks, whether it's little lines, whether it's heavy lines, whether it's no matter how your stretch marks are. I will share with you this effective remedy that will get rid of them all. Okay, so you can be proud, so you can have fun, so you can rock yourself, all right, and be gorgeous as ever. But first, let's talk about this. Stretch marks can be in men and women. Are we all agreeing? Okay, it's not just for women. No, some men too. But I want to go a little deeper. Okay, let's talk about the cause of stretch marks. Oh, by the way, that's not nice. You have to know who is talking to you. I'm Uneek Oré. You're African. Uneek Oré. Your African girl or your African lady. Uneek Oré. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let's go. Stretch marks are caused by few things. It can be natural. You see a little girl or boy, little as sometimes 10, 8 years old. You see they have stretch marks, sometimes, around their waist or their arms. It depends what type of the body. They are natural. They are natural. You just see them, they have it. So what? It's okay. All right? Or sometimes when you are gaining weight, okay, sometimes you gain weight, everything is gaining weight too. Your breasts, your boobs, your butt, everything. So it can be from that. You can have it on your butt, you can have it on your breast, all right, you can have it on your stomach, especially, are you ready? When you are pregnant, that's as women. Oh Lord, you can have it all over your belly. That is a sign. It's a blessing though. It is a blessing. Something that can affect you, or something that can be on you, not affect. But even if it's affect, it's okay. You can rock it beautifully. That means you are a mommy or you're going to be a mom. So what? Okay. Oh, what else? You ready? Oh, ladies and gentlemen, if you are using, this is very important for us to hear. If you are using a hydroquinone creams or lotions, another word, if you are using a bleaching cream or lotion, well, those stuff can give you stretch marks. So I'm urging you, be proud of you, be the natural you, be free, be the whole you, and rock your gorgeous, natural, simple you. That's beautiful like that. By the way, are you liking my hair? I love it. Okay? So, before I share this remedy with you, ladies and gentlemen, I'm urging you. Well, it's not really urgent unless you want to get rid of your stretch marks. I'm telling you right now to throw away all your bleaching creams. Throw them away. What are you waiting for? Are you ready? Well, you are not home? It's okay. As soon as you get home, be sure you get rid of all your bleaching or hydroquinones, creams or lotion, because those things are giving you stretch marks and they are giving it to you more and more. So yours is no longer natural. Yours is artificial, if you want me to say, because those cream are going to, you want to be, I don't know how you want to be, but those creams are taking out, the beauty of you, and they are giving you whatever you want. Okay? So that is that. Are we all agreeing? There we go. Ready for the remedy? Number one, I don't know how many times I'm going to talk about this. I hope you can see. This is our diamond. Diamond. Our African beautiful shea butter, not expensive, but very effective for the skin, for hair, for cooking. You see this diamond right here? Well, a lot of people do not know this, but anything, if you want a smooth skin, if you want to get rid of rashes, if you want to have delicious meals, just be sure you buy yourself a natural, raw shea butter. Shea butter is really good. So all you need to do, friends, is to, after taking a nice shower, because your body has to be clean, just apply it as, you apply the rest of your lotion or cream. Okay? The natural one, this is it. The natural, you see this right here? I can just rub it. Let me show you. You see that? Just rub it all together. You don't need to microwave and kill all the goodness. No, you have to rub it. Rub it in your hands. All right? Rub it. I got too much. Rub it in your hands and just apply. Oh my God, feels so good. It feels so good. I don't just come here to come. I know what I'm talking about, okay? Apply. This is natural. The changing will come in a few days. You will see that yourself, you are turning into extra gorgeous, extra beautiful, extra natural, extra simple, extra shine. Because you will shine with this shea butter. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, like I said, I don't come here just to come. Because I want you to shine like me. Shine. Beautiful. That's what you're going to do. Okay? I'm not going to waste this. Let me rub it on my beautiful skin. Okay? There you go. Rub it all over yourself after a nice shower. And you must see a change in a few days. Be sure you get a natural one. That's what I'm trying to say. You ready for the second remedy? Quickly. Bagang. Boom. This is olive oil. Someone told me why I'm so dramatic. Well, this is dramatic as well because you will see the beautiful you. So why not be, I have to be dramatic. All right? And you will see result. This is olive oil. You're not going to bring this in your bedroom every time after shower. Okay? All you do is you put it in a little container. I have mine in the other room. So I didn't bring it. Extra virgin. Extra virgin. Extra virgin. Okay? Olive oil. The natural olive oil. You apply the olive oil on your beautiful body. Or you can put the two together. The diamond shea butter and the olive oil. I'm telling you, you will not recognize yourself anymore. Well, that's true. You will not people will not recognize you anymore because they want to be your friend. The people who do you bad and all of that, they will want to become your friend because you are shining. You are getting them blind. You know what I'm saying? So this is it, ladies and gentlemen. Very quick, very easy, affordable, and most of all, effective. Try it and please come back and comment. Or also comment if you are using anything for stretch marks and you are seeing results. Please share with us. You don't want to keep it to yourself. That's not nice. Also share this video with your classmates, with your cousins, with your family and friends, so we all can benefit from these beautiful things. I really do hope you share. Like this video, it helps tremendously. Okay? If you are not yet a subscriber, please do subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I really do hope to see the beautiful you, the shiny you, on my next video. Uneek Oré, all natural, simple and beautiful.